Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create a Reddit account. So let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. After that, click on Sign Up as Login. It will open a window with sign-up options. Go ahead and click on the one that suits you better. For this video, I'm going to continue signing up with an email. Type in your email and your password, then click on Continue. Now it will ask you to choose a username, or you can choose one that Reddit suggests. Pick a username and hit Continue. Next, it will ask, how do you identify? You can either answer these questions or just skip them. Here you can choose the type of content you want to see on your feed. Select one or more and hit Continue. Now you can follow one page or more to get started. You can change this later. Select one and hit Save and Continue. At this point, you can either choose an avatar or skip this step, and that's it. You are now done and ready to go. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.